Hello everyone. Today I am going to illustrate balancing of redox reactions using half reaction method or ion-electron method. What I mean by half reaction method, I am going to break the overall redox reaction into two half reactions. One is an oxidation reaction, the other one is reduction reaction. Then I am going to individually balance them. Then I add both the balanced half reactions together to get the full equation. So I am taking this as my example. The MnO4 minus, which oxidizes the iodide ion into iodine and manganese oxide in a basic medium. So let me write first the skeletal equation. MnO4 minus plus I minus gives MnO2 plus I2 molecular iodine. If I want to break this into two different equations, one is the reduction half equation or reduction half reaction, and I can break it into oxidation half reaction. For that I need to know who gets reduced and who is getting oxidized in this reaction. From the statement I can say MnO4 is an oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agent undergo reduction. So MnO4 minus undergo reduction. MnO4 minus undergo reduction. MnO4 minus, it becomes MnO2. When this is reduced, the other one is getting oxidized. The I minus becomes I2, which is getting oxidized. By definition, I know reduction is gain of electron, oxidation is loss of electron. So how do I know how many electrons are gained or how many electrons are lost? When I consider MnO4 minus MnO2, MnO4 minus manganese has the oxidation state of positive 7. In manganese 4 oxide, this 4 talks about the oxidation state of manganese, positive 4. So there is a decrease in the oxidation number, reduction, so by gain of 3 electrons. Now I am going to balance this reduction half reaction. How do I balance? I will balance by balancing the charge. When I look at the charge, I have negative 4 on the left hand side and 0 on the right hand side. To equate, I am going to add negative 4 because it is basic medium. I can only add OH minus. So MnO4 minus plus 3 electron minus gives MnO2 plus 4 OH minus. In the previous video also I said whenever hydrogen needs to be balanced, you have to add appropriate number of water molecules on the opposite side. So MnO4 minus plus 3 electron minus plus 2 moles of water because 4 hydrogens, MnO2 plus 4 OH minus. Now if I look at the balancing of oxygen, I have 4 plus 2, 6 oxygen on the left hand side, the same 4 plus 2, 6 oxygen on the right hand side. So reduction half reaction is balanced now. Now I am going for the balancing of oxidation half reaction. So when I consider first balancing the element, so 2I minus. So oxidation is loss of electron, 2 electron minus. When I look at the charge is balanced already. This is negative 2 and this is also negative 2. So half reaction of oxidation is also balanced. Now I am going to add them. So I'll write 1 by 1. So I have the reduction half reaction MnO4 minus plus 3 electron minus plus 2 H2O gives MnO2 plus 4 OH minus, and I have 2I minus becomes I2 plus 2 electron minus. Now I need to balance or equate the electrons lost and gained. If you look at, there are 3 electrons gained but 2 electrons are lost. So to equate them, what should I do? I need to go for the LCM. So I am going to multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 3 to make it 6 electrons totally. So I'll write again 2MnO4 minus plus 6 electron minus plus 4 H2O gives 2MnO2 plus 8 OH minus. If I write the oxidation reaction, it is 6I minus gives 3I2 plus 6 electron. Now I am going to add them. I am going to add them. MnO4 minus plus this 6 electron and this 6 electron get cancelled. Then 6I minus plus 4 H2O gives 2MnO2 plus 3I2 plus 8 OH minus. Now let us look at whether everything is balanced or not, just verification. 2 manganese, 2 manganese. There are 6 iodine, 6 iodine. There are 8 hydrogen, yes 8 hydrogen. There are 8 plus 4, 12 oxygen, so 4 plus 8, 12 oxygen. So you got a balanced equation. So what did I do? I balanced 2 half equations separately. To make 2 half equations, I identified which reactant undergoes oxidation, which reactant undergoes reduction. So accordingly, I break them into 2 pieces of reactions, and for reduction I added electrons, for oxidation I removed electrons, I balanced the charges, then added appropriate number of water molecules to balance hydrogen. Finally, I equated the number of electrons gained and number of electrons lost. I added the balanced half equations together. I got the redox equation balanced. So this is for your practice to try. Try this. Cr2O7 2 minus plus Fe2 plus gives Fe3 plus Cr3 plus in acidic medium. I showed one example in basic medium. You try with the acidic medium. What is the difference? Only hydrogen plus to be added, not OH minus. Thank you for watching.